In the world of CMS, WordPress is famous for its user-friendliness and security. They make things easy by giving a wide range of choices for starting your travel or hotel business website. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 best WordPress themes for your hotel or travel business. The modern hotel theme, Lava, provides the digital system of room management, bookings management, and customer and service management. These fantastic features are extremely user-friendly and speed-optimized. The coupon management feature gives the advantage to attract your customers. You'll have pricing plans, extra packages, block special dates, as well as multilingual support. Lava is a premium WordPress theme designed for hotel, hostel, resort, and holiday room/apartment rentals. The theme comes with a smart hotel booking system that allows you to easily handle room listings, customer bookings, payments, and coupons, among other things. Lava has adopted new web design techniques, giving visitors a distinct sense of elegance, luxury, and pleasure. The theme is also incredibly flexible and beginner to advanced user-friendly. It's the ideal WordPress hotel theme for presenting your services and attracting new consumers. It's fully responsive and retina-ready. The design is elegant since it uses a full-screen approach. Number 2. TravelTime. TravelTime is suited for travel agencies, hotels, tour operators, airlines, tourist spot presentations, tourism promotion, and other uses that come to mind. The theme contains a wide collection of custom widgets that allow for even more content management options and advanced social network options, such as Flickr, Facebook, and Twitter. TravelTime has a custom admin panel. It is built with valid CSS3 and HTML5. One of the most important aspects of a successful website is valid code and an optimized structure. Customers consistently describe their support as prompt, helpful, and professional. Number 3. Augustine. Augustine is a fully mobile-friendly, widget-ready and Gutenberg-optimized WordPress hotel theme. It's well-coded, 4+ column layout as per WordPress quality standard. You'll get a high-resolution screen and lots of color with this theme. The theme is compatible with all major browsers, as well as Firefox, Safari, Opera, Chrome, Edge, and others. It also works with the latest version of Element. The Vacation is a great theme with an outstanding design and a wide variety of technical features. Because of its cross-browser and responsive features, it will look great on any device. The modern travel company WordPress theme, Vacation, has a lot of features and capabilities. Like the clean and professional design, the flexible page layouts, and user-friendly settings. Also included are adaptive design, additional widgets, Google Fonts, SEO-friendly code, and much more. You can design anything on your web page easily by using the Elementor page builder on the theme Vacation. Number 5. Leisure. Hotel Leisure is an excellent WordPress theme for any website dedicated to the leisure and luxury recreation sector, such as golf clubs, soccer and tennis centers, leisure pools and spas, vacation resorts, hotels, and other similar activities. The theme is the best fit for eye-catching displays because it is designed for websites with large, beautiful images, multi-level menus, and generous footers. They have a quick and efficient customer support team, and we make sure all your inquiries will be addressed in a timely manner. Hotel Leisure is the first WordPress theme designed specifically for the leisure industry. It comes with a lot of functionalities and features as your requirements. It was designed with extensive functionality in mind to assist business owners in quickly creating a visually appealing website. Your web presence will be visually appealing, and your visitors will be impressed. Thank you for watching this video. The more 15 hotel website themes given in the video description.